I'd like to introduce you to Accutower Flash, the world's most powerful USB duplicator. Built on the proven track record of Accutower CD and DVD duplicators, Accutower Flash takes USB duplication to the next level. As a complete turnkey solution, Accutower Flash includes everything you need for USB duplication right out of the box. Keyboard, mouse, monitor, and the control center, the heart of the system. Control center is available in 7-port option and a 28-port option that you see here. You can add more power to your Accutower Flash with add-on towers. Add-on towers are available in 21-port towers and 49-port towers, giving you the option to go from 7 ports to 77 ports with no problem at all. Accutower Flash gives you the option to copy from many different sources, all of which are accessible from the front of the machine. USB drives, an integrated 25-in-1 flash card reader, an optical CD and DVD drive, and an internal hard drive where you can record your projects and recall them at a later time. The system is controlled with a powerful Command Center software. Command Center software is intuitive and easy to use. You'll notice that all the ports in the system are represented graphically. The Command Center software is laid out with target drives on the left side and source drives on the right side. Currently I have 25 drives plugged into my control center, and as I plug in the last 3 drives, you'll see that they'll immediately mount and become available to the system. As soon as the system identifies these drives, we're ready to go. I can mount the drives. Their color changes to indicate that they're ready for copy. All that's left is a source, in this case a USB drive. I plug the USB drive into the A source port, and you'll notice that immediately the A source becomes available. Source drives can be selected by clicking on the radio buttons. In this case, USB-A indicates 14.94 megabytes, and then you simply press copy. All of the drives will be identified for free space, and the copy begins. As you can see, the software updates and lets you know that the drives are busy. You can also see that the lights on the drives indicate that they are busy as well. As the copy completes, the lights on the drive stop flashing, and a dialog box indicates the results of our copy. In this case, 28 drives succeeded, 0 failed in just a matter of seconds. You'll also notice on the screen that the drives all became green. This means that the drives are ejected and ready to pull out of the system. No need to wait. To continue copying, all you need to do is simply insert more blank drives, mount them, and copy them in the same manner. In addition to copying drives, you can also erase and format drives. Erasing drives is just as easy as a copy. You simply need to mount the drives and click on Erase. Just like the copy command, the lights on the drive indicate that the drives are busy, and when they stop flashing, a dialog box appears indicating that the erase has been completed. If you need to format the drives and erase all of the information or change the volume label, this is easy as well. Simply click on Format Volume Label, add your volume label, and click OK. You'll be asked to verify that you want to format the drives. Simply click OK, and the format begins. Formatting a drive is a great way to ensure that the drive is erased and also to change the volume label. Projects can be stored to the internal hard drive by clicking on its radio button, clicking on New, selecting the source. We'll give it a name, in this case Test, and then simply click OK. The contents of that drive are now loaded to the hard drive and available at any time. Selecting an image from the internal hard drive is easy. Simply click the radio button, then select Image, and select your image from the list. The hard drive source turns blue, indicating that it's ready for copies. As you can see, the versatile hardware, massive scalability, and the intuitive software truly make Accutower Flash the world's most powerful USB duplicator.